from At Earth Faith Love, and I'm here today to open a Young Living NingXia Premium Starter Kit. So I went ahead and opened up the box, and we're going to take a peek inside. The first thing that we have down here are our NingXia individual packets. These are the 2-ounce packets of NingXia Red. These are excellent for overall health and wellness. So these are packed with antioxidants and superfruits, and they just help promote that overall wellness. And then, oh, my box seems to be open on both sides. So inside there is the Essential Edge magazine that comes every month with Essential Rewards order. And then we have here the highlights, star of the show. This is the 2-pack of the NingXia Red glass bottles. And I have not pre-opened this one, so let's try to do this without getting hurt here. And these come very well packed, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to hide that box. And I'm just going to put this out on the table for you to see the NingXia Red. I'm actually going to put it here so nothing falls and breaks. Sorry, I know you guys can't see, but this is the big red bottle of NingXia Red. Now this is 25 fluid ounces. That lasts almost a month if you're taking a 2-ounce shot daily. So that came inside this box. And then back. Okay, so next we have, this is the basic starter kit that comes inside. And inside this box, we have the little note. So this one did come with the Thieves spray instead of the Thieves household cleaner. So inside here you see the informative paperwork that comes with it. And then the tray, and underneath in the secret compartment are all the Young Living goodies. So we have some Love and Share It cards, some little oil bottles. In here is the 5 ml of Stress Away, and the roller fitment that can fit on there if you choose to do that. You have your 2 NingXia sample packets that come in there. And then the Thieves spray that came with this instead of the Thieves household cleaner. Let's put all this back in here. And then if we keep looking in our giant box, we have even more goodies. There is a full-size Thieves household cleaner. So the member who ordered this ordered it during a promotional period, and along with that came this gorgeous spray bottle, all glass. And I want to open that very carefully. It seems as though the lid isn't screwed on super tight. So a very nice branded spray bottle came with that. That was a promotion that Young Living was running last month. And then as we keep looking in this big box, we have the packing slip. We'll put that off to the side. An Essential Oils magazine and the 2019 product guide. And I'm running out of space on my table here, guys. Put those down there. There is the NingXia Nitro. So there are 14 tubes in here. NingXia Nitro is great for supporting cognitive function and your overall health as well. And there's a couple more things. So when you sign up for Young Living, you can sign up for Essential Rewards right with your premium starter kit. This customer made the wise choice and did that. So she also got a free 2-ounce Thieves toothpaste. That was the promotion that Young Living had going in the month of May. And then I think that might be everything that's inside of this big box. And so, to recap, we have the 2 bottles of the NingXia red, the 30 packets, and then the 2 additional packets that came inside the premium starter kit. These are great for throwing in your purse or taking to travel. We have the NingXia Nitro tubes. Those are awesome for supporting your cognitive health. We have a Thieves toothpaste. That was the Essential Rewards promotion. That was in the month of May. And then also the promotion that Young Living was doing where they gave a free full bottle of Thieves. So that was an awesome deal that they had. And then the Stress Away that came with the other goodies, including the Thieves spray. So Young Living has recently changed their premium starter kits, and some of them do have different goodies inside. So I just want to let everyone know that this was ordered May 31st, 2019. So if you order it in the next couple of months, I could see Young Living just switching the goodies inside the basic starter kit to match what's inside of their new starter kit. So thanks for watching. I hope everyone has a fantastic day. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Catch you later.